Myself, Dr. Arun Kumar VS, CEO and founder of Ostroint International Group of Companies. It means 6 ventures in one roof. Today, we are going to start a new episode only based on informational videos. We do have 6 companies helping public people. The category number 1, accounting related jobs. Number 2, e-commerce. Number 3, real estate and construction. Number 4, advanced technological support. And the number 5th, manpower consultants. Number 6th, energy management. Out of these 6 companies, we are starting with the Ostroint International Private Limited. That's basically supporting to the people to start a business and how to run a business, and according to the fund, and each and everything we will give you and a very good and clear cut idea. The next one is manpower. Manpower means if you want to get a job in overseas or in India, we will help you from the bottom to the top. That means we start from the biodata, we help you until the interview. That is what I mean. Okay, I can give you an ideas about how functioning a business. Once we will talk each other. When I get an ideas about your background, I will help you to make a company or a proprietorship or a single owner company or whatever. We can, after the discussion, we can decide and we can help each other and we can do the business. I can help you to get startup certificate, startup funding, government grant, NGO funding, CGTMC, PMEGP with 25 to 30% subsidy, Mudra loan, MSME loan, GEM certificate, venture capital, digital marketing, all type of government certificate, all type of government funding, grant and private funding, at the end IPO. If you are eligible, it's very careful. The eligibility criteria is a bit tough with the government, but according to the documentation, we can do that. But at the same time, we need a great discussion with each other. Then we can finalize to a great journey to a great businessman. So what you need to do, you follow my channel, and also the number is given below. You can call me and you can ask me advice. It's totally free. Those who are looking for the jobs in India or in overseas, I can help you for that, and I will help you from the beginning till the end. How to prepare a resume, how to get a job in overseas or in India according to your knowledge and experience without giving bulk money to any agencies, how to prepare for it, how to attend the interview and interview related question and answers, how to get a student's visa. I will help you for all these things. You just need to do only one thing. You just follow my channel and I will help you. In my next video, I am giving a clear-cut idea about how to attend an interview and simple question and answers I am giving